Hello, welcome to Power BI Basics for Starters. Today we are going to cover a very interesting feature of Power BI. Today we are going to copy tables and views from one Power BI report to another. So as you can see in this Power BI report, I do not have any objects right here, or we can go to data transform and we can see we have nothing in here, right? But let's say I have another report which I'm going to show you right here. And in this report, I have all these objects. And if I go to query editor, you can see I have all these objects. We have groups and objects. These are the dimensions part of this group, and there are some other tables right here. So what if you want to copy this over? Yes, of course, you can go to advanced editor and say, okay, fine, I'm going to go ahead and press Ctrl C and go to the other report and be able to see that and just paste it right here and go to advanced editor, right? Yes, you can do that. But why would you want to do that when there is an easier way to do it, right? So let's find out what is that easier way. All you have to do, come right here, right click and copy, right? Once you copy that, you can go right here, go to transform, right? And when this screen comes up, all you have to do, right click and paste. And there you have it. And the best part is creating the connect string wherever this file is located. If I go to advanced editor, as you can see, the entire thing is right here, right? Awesome. So what if you have 20, 30, 50 objects in the original report? What do I do? Let me just close this for a second. No, I don't want to save it. So we go to original report, and here I can just, right click and copy the entire group, or I can just simply, select all, right click, copy. Go to report right here, go to transform, and watch this. It's still there. So let me just delete that for a second. Yes, delete. I don't want it right now. So let's paste that. It's gonna bring everything over. How cool is that? You have all in same hierarchy mode. You have that group right here. Now it's making all those connections, and you have the report objects copied from one report to another one. This feature becomes really handy. It's amazing. I use it all the time. Hopefully this video help you with your copy and pasting of the objects. So if you like the contents of this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.